Hi, my name is Cynthia, and today I just want to quickly share how you can build a wireframe from PowerPoint. Let's get right into it. So, the first thing I like to do is look for Power BI dashboard ideas on the internet. Just make a random search, Power BI dashboard templates, or whatever English you want to use, and go looking for it on any of your favorite search engine. In this case, I used Google. Now once you find a dashboard that you like, you are going to click on it and open it. From what you can see, I've selected one. I will now open my PowerPoint, a blank page, and start creating. From what you can see, this one is a simple theme, not too much going on. So you start off by inserting shape, in this case a pure rectangle, and you are going to cover the entire page with it. Then you go change the color, and in this case I'll prefer to use an ash because that is what the template I'm copying from actually has. So this looks nice. The next thing we're going to do is remove the boundary lines so that it looks like a blank page. Then you insert shape again and use the rounded rectangle in order to create the text area, and of course change the colors and the same thing. Now we are going to start creating the shapes for our KPI cards. As you can see, we have 5 KPI cards, and that's actually what I want to do here. So you start, create, then copy paste in 5 different areas. Don't worry about designing or aligning them yet. Just go ahead to create the spaces for the other metrics. So these are just basic, still rounded rectangles, and we'll create about 7 of these. Following this, the same thing, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Technically, like this, we are done because we have gotten the outline for the dashboard like this. So this is where the main work starts, because you now have to start decorating them. You hold down your control key and select each of the KPI cards, and then you go ahead to change the colors. Now in changing the colors, I must say ideally you should have some hex codes or color codes that you want to use for your design, but in this case, for the sake of the tutorial, I was just eyeballing it and picking random colors, just copying pasting from the template I was using. I'll go straight to aligning the heights, and in this case I selected all the boxes because I was trying to give them the same height. And this is what we have. This is essentially to save time instead of doing it manually one by one. Here I was trying to reduce the roundness of the rectangle, so you use that orange circle thing and drag it to the left. That is how you create a less rounded rectangle. If you want it more rounded, which is not advisable, you drag the orange dot to the right. Then you start aligning. You can align middle. Now if you notice, I was playing around, and this is exactly what you're supposed to do as a data analyst when it comes to your tools. Play around with different functions. You'll break some things, of course, but that's how you learn. We are practically almost done. Now you can see I'm just arranging each of them, and now I'm inserting a text box to just duplicate what was written there. That's practically it. So this is a very simple way to use PowerPoint to do your wireframing. I know some people use Figma, many people use different tools, but I'm the biggest fan of the simplest idea possible. I'm always looking for how to simplify my life, and that's why I decided to use PowerPoint. So you can use any tool that you like, but if you're a beginner, I highly suggest, not even only beginners, no matter your level of expertise, making your life simple should be something you aim for. So this is how you save. Click save as, click the place you want to download it to, name it, and then save as JPEG. Don't forget, you must save as a JPEG so that you will import it to Power BI as a background. And we're done. I will see you in my next post. Follow and share for more content like this.